Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Monster Hunter error code C1081-0-0. The error reads, "Lost connection with PlayStation Network." As per our research, this error comes when users try to get into the game. There's no official information about why this error happens, but it likely occurs due to connection issues between the game and PlayStation Network, or game servers being down. The first thing you should try is restarting your device. Once done, check if the game needs an update. If an update is available, install it and see if this fixes the error. If the game is already up to date but the error still occurs, check if your device needs a software update. If an update is available, install it and then check for the error again. If the error still comes, we suggest you wait for a few hours and try again. Sometimes temporary server issues can cause this error. However, if the error persists even after waiting for several hours, try uninstalling and reinstalling the game to see if this resolves the issue. If none of these solutions work, we suggest reaching out to the game's support team and reporting the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.